We are going to look at comparing number values and see how comparing whole numbers is exactly the same as comparing decimals. If I'm trying to figure out which number is larger, we always start with the highest place values. So in this case, the hundreds place is my highest place value. And I can see that they're both the same. So then we go to the next highest place value. And here I can see that I have the 80s and the 70s. So I know that 686 is larger than 679. It does not matter that the 9 is larger than the 6 because the lesser place value has no meaning when there's a difference in the larger place values. We can look at our next set of numbers and it's going to be exactly the same. It doesn't matter that we have a decimal point in these numbers. Just like multiplying, it doesn't change our process. We look at the largest place value, which in this case is the ones, all the way to the left, and our ones are the same. So now we go to the next highest place value, the tenths, and I can see the 3 is larger, so I know that 4.31 is larger. It does not matter that the hundredths is larger in 4.24 because it's a lesser place value. Our next two numbers, 7 and 4 tenths and 7 and 39 hundredths. Sometimes it's common that people will consider this number larger because they see more place values in front of them. However, if we follow our simple steps and start with the highest place value, and when there's a tie, go to the next highest place value, you'll simply see that the 4 is larger than the 3, making 7.4 larger. You could also think about a 0 being there, 7 and 40 hundredths versus 7 and 39 hundredths, making this the larger one again. The next example we're going to look at we can see there are no whole number place values. Again, it doesn't change our process. We focus on the highest place value, which is always to the left. The tenths is our highest place value, and I can see that it's a tie, so I go to the next highest place value, the hundredths, where we can see our larger number.